Welcome to Artificial Professor. And in this video I will explain how to make GIFs on Canva. So as you see, I am already at the home page of canva.com, so from here let's start the process. Here are all the icon of canva.com. In this, select the video icon. You can select the type of the video. If you want to select the vertical one, it's up to you. But for the GIFs, I prefer always the horizontal video. That's why I'm selecting this one. So here is the blank page. From here, go to this element. Now I will make a GIF about the weekend, like summer weekend. So that's why. First I will choose the background color, because my GIFs is about the summer vacation, so that's why I will select one of these colors. Like this, or this. You can also adjust the color by yourself by tapping on this icon, and shift this here. After selecting a proper background color, because of summer weekend. First, I will choose the sun. But you don't need to select the sun from here. You need to go to this graphics. So here are graphics, so I will select this sun. After placing it, let's change the background color, because it is matching with the sun color. So I'm changing this now. I think it's a good one. So after selecting the sun, I will search for the Sunday because it's about the summer weekend. I prefer this one. Let's give him the proper size. Now I will choose an umbrella for my GIFs. So again, I'm writing here. Again, go to this graphics. So I think this one is good for my GIFs. So now I think our GIFs is almost ready. Now, you can also select the duration of your GIFs. So here is the duration. Tap on this one and select the duration, like, I will select the duration for 5 seconds. Now everything is almost done. Now tap on this share icon, and tap on the icon download. The most important thing is tap on this one. And here is the icon. GIFs, tap on this one, and simply tap on the option download. It start downloading. After the downloading, I will show you how this GIFs is look like. Now I will show you. So as you see, by this way, you can make GIFs on Canva by yourself, because it was tutorial, so that's why I tried to make it quick as I can. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.